You might be experiencing severe fatigue, a burning sensation in your hands and feet, or sudden, rapid hair loss. It's easy to view these as separate problems, but they are often cascading failures caused by a single hidden deficit in your body, vitamin B12. Today, we are going to walk through a concrete 4-step medical management roadmap. We will take these unexplained physical issues and turn them into a controlled, actionable plan you can start executing immediately. Before we begin, grab a notebook or open a note-taking app on your phone. We are going to conduct a live audit of your symptoms right now. Documenting exactly what is happening is the only way to stop blindly treating isolated symptoms and start actively repairing the biological system itself. Step 1 is the symptom audit. To map out exactly what is happening to your body and mind, we need to divide your experiences into 3 distinct threat vectors. This interface shows our first vector, nerve and muscle.
Note down if you experience a burning sensation in your palms or soles. Add a check mark if you have tingling, numbness, or localized muscle pain. Next, we expand our list to the second vector, physical fatigue. This section covers general, pervasive weakness. You should check this off if you lack motivation for daily tasks or find yourself breathless after minor exertion. Under this same fatigue category, you also need to document secondary indicators. Write down if you are experiencing severe hair loss, constant headaches, or if you notice that cuts and wounds take an unusually long time to heal. Finally, we reach our third, highly critical category, mental health. Vitamin B12 deficiency takes a hidden psychological toll. Mark this section if you are dealing with unexplained, high mental stress or recurring episodes of depression. Review your list. If you have marked 2 or more of these documented symptoms across any of the vectors, your system is showing signs of compromise. That means you need to escalate immediately to stop 2. By putting these items on paper, you have successfully transformed vague, overwhelming physical discomfort into actionable, categorized data. Step 2 moves us from how you feel to hard, measurable data. Your next required action is to book a standard vitamin B12 blood test. The most common mistake people make at this stage is self-diagnosing. Buying random supplements without establishing a numerical baseline of your current vitamin levels will only waste your time. Without a baseline, verifying medical intervention is mathematically impossible. You need a starting point to track your recovery curve. Conversely, operating blindly leads to this erratic trajectory. You end up in a cycle of unpredictable outcomes, simply guessing the dosage. Getting that diagnostic test is the absolute gateway. It separates dangerous guesswork from a true, targeted medical management plan. While you wait for your blood test appointment and lab results, we move to Step 3, strategic dietary modification. This is your immediate holding action. Take out your notes again. Add specific B12-rich foods, like fortified cereals, dairy products, or lean meats, directly to your upcoming grocery list. This dietary shift acts as a first-line defense. It begins passively reintroducing the missing compound back into your failing biological system. However, be aware that while adjusting your diet is essential for long-term maintenance, food alone is rarely sufficient to rapidly reverse a severe, entrenched deficiency. That brings us to Step 4, our final escalation. You will take your compiled symptom audit and your objective lab results directly to a medical professional. This graphic shows how those 2 pieces of data synthesize. A doctor uses your symptom audit and lab results to calculate the exact safe supplementation dosage required to flood your system and reverse the deficit. When you sit down with your doctor, present your written symptom list alongside your blood work. Providing clear, organized data ensures you receive a targeted, customized response rather than generic advice. Those properly calibrated clinical-grade supplements prescribed by your doctor are your primary weapon for effectively reversing this condition. Relying on professional oversight guarantees that your intervention strategy is aggressive enough to succeed, yet precise enough to remain perfectly safe. Let's review the architecture you have built. You now wield a fully audited symptom list, a clear diagnostic testing plan, an immediate dietary strategy, and a clinical consultation roadmap. Following these 4 steps allows for cascading biological repair. Precise, targeted physiological intervention reverses the systemic damage and restores structural equilibrium to your nerves, muscles, and mind. Now it is time to execute. Commit to your very first physical action right now. Open a new tab and book your blood test online, or immediately update your grocery list with B12-rich foods. Reclaiming your health from unknown variables is not a mystery. It is a replicable, step-by-step methodology, and you have the blueprint. Start your first step today.